Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to block contacts on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and go to the chat of the contact you want to block. Tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner. Find Block menu and tap Block. My second account is Business account. So you need to click Reason for blocking. I select No longer needed. Then confirm by tapping Block again. Now I send message from my second account to my this account. If this message not received to my account, successfully blocked, it done. That's it, you've successfully blocked a contact on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.